Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. For those that is their first time watching, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe, and also leave a comment, okay? Now today I will be working with Peerless hair. We have 3 of their bundles and also a closure. Now I'm going to make a little cute little wig. It's the summertime and you know everybody is rocking these loud bold colors. So today I wanted to try something new. I wanted to try a different method. So I'm going to rinse and do a watercolor on the bottom of the hair, and this is actually the sky blue that I'm putting on the tips of the 613, and you're actually going to see me actually dip the jade color and the watercolor and just see how it kind of all flows together and it gives you that even flow balance. So stay tuned to this tutorial. Alright, so now I'm just unraveling this 613 because you want to make sure all of the hair gets colored. So as I'm unraveling it, I'm just dipping it in and out of the bowl. As you can see, I am not using a whole bunch of water, only because you really don't have to. I like to do it in sections, so I like to add a little water, then add the rinse, then dip it, because you don't need a whole bunch of water, and I do it a bundles at a time. So I like to proportion how much I'm putting in as far as the rinse and the water, and as you can see, it's gonna come out the same, girl. So let's save the environment. Let's save some of this water. We ain't gotta waste all this water. We ain't gotta waste all this product. You know what I'm saying? So all right, so as you can see, it is changing to a really pretty ocean blue color, and that is what I was looking for. I wanted the sky blue to be at the ends, and I wanted the top portion to be that jade. It'll kind of give you the sense of the ocean feel. Very pretty, soft, dark to light color. Oh la la, look how that turned out. Do y'all see that color? Oh my god. Okay, so we're just gonna turn this little these bundles into a little wig. We're gonna make a wig. So as you can see, I do not have a black dome cap. I have a blonde dome cap, only because this is a more vibrant, light, you know, transparent type of color. So I didn't want to do a hard black under it, so I did the blonde cap. I didn't go through the whole sewing on the cap process because that's not this type of tutorial. However, I am going to skim through me sewing it in, and I am going to skim through me flat ironing it. And as you can see how beautifully this hair has dried and has came out. When I begin to flat iron it, normally sometimes I had some type of color where you would put too much heat on it and it'll fade the color. This is not doing that. The hair did not typically shed as I was blow drying it. It worked pretty well. It stayed bouncy and flowy. If you guys want to purchase this hair, please click that link in that description box. Also, if you guys are interested in getting a wig made from yours truly, you guys click that link in that description box. Thank you for watching. Click that link, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you so much.